In today's video, I'm going to give you 12 online jobs that can give you $1,000 per month. My name is Alex and welcome to Financial Creatives, a place where you learn how to create more income and manage your money prudently. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can receive a notification every time I publish a new video. The first job in our list is online sales agent. So your job as an online sales agent will involve marketing companies' products and also strategizing or coming up with strategies that can see a company's services or product is well sold in the market. So this is a very common job, and if you go to your Google right now and Google online sales agent in your location, you are going to see your search engine populated with various jobs in this field. So how can you become an effective online sales agent? What you need to understand is the game has changed and now we're doing our things online. You can be able to get or you can be able to reach many people compared to conventional door-to-door sales. And this is what you need to do. You need to establish your online platform. This means that you can use your social media platform, things like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even Pinterest. Once you have your online platform, the next thing that you want to do is to create value to your followers. Educate them about the product or the service that you're selling. This is done to ensure trust, that your followers can trust you. They see that this guy understands what he's talking about and we can trust him to recommend a product to us. So the next thing that you want to do is now present your offer. How do you present your offers? You can use content curated just for the followers. You want to push that product to them, but in an educative way through content. The next thing that you can do is you can promote your offers through ads on those platforms. You can pay for Facebook ads, Twitter ads, or Instagram ads. This will ensure that you have a wider reach and you'll become a successful sales agent, hence earning more commission or even getting a promotion from your company. Our second job is testing apps and website. Nowadays, when developers come up with a website or an online app, they would like some users to test the apps or website so that they can ensure they have optimized the user interface. So once they develop these sites, they need people to test those sites and leave reviews on their pages. This is a job that you can apply and get paid for. So where can you get these jobs? There's one website called Beta Testing and it pays around $10 to $20 per test. You can also get another famous website called User Testing. It also pays $10 per test. This is a job that you can apply for and start making money fast. The third job is online bookkeeping. Virtual bookkeeping jobs are in high demand because there are many entrepreneurs out there with online or work at home businesses and they want their financial records managed well. This is where you come in. If you have some experience with accounting or a basic bookkeeping, this is a job for you. So what you need is to record, store, and retrieve financial records for those entrepreneurs. You can also go ahead and prepare basic accounting or financial statement for such businesses. Remember, all this work will be done right at the comfort of your home. As a virtual bookkeeper, you're likely to earn between $20 to $80 per hour. So you can try this job and make some money. The fourth job is starting a YouTube channel. What do you need to start a YouTube channel? The first thing that you need to do is to identify the niche. What people do you want to reach? What information do you want to put forth in the market? Once you have established that, go ahead and start shooting videos and uploading great content online to educate people and create a following. Once you grow a following on YouTube, there are different ways you can monetize your YouTube to make some extra money. The first one, and the most common one, is placing some online ads. The second way that you can make money is through sponsorship deals, and you can also leverage on YouTube to sell your course online or even promote other affiliate products and start making money. If you're already receiving value from this video, hit that like button so that you can help me push this video to other people. The fifth online job is English tutoring. This is where you teach English to international students through video. There are great sites out there that enables people to register and start teaching other international students like Chinese kids, and one of these great sites is called qkids.com. It pays $25 per hour. Another great site out there is called magicears.com, and we also have vipkids.com. I'll leave the links to these websites down in the description so that you can go there and apply for this job. If your English is better than mine, know you can teach international students and make some money. So you receive between $20 per hour to $50 per hour. Check out those websites and apply online teaching or tutoring jobs today. The sixth online job that you can start today is blogging. I have talked about how you can start a successful blog that makes you money. Check out this video here. What you need to do so that you can successfully earn from blogging is you need first to establish your niche. What is it that you want to blog about? This can range from fitness, technology, finance, fashion, etc. Name them. Once you have your niche, you need to identify a domain like financialcreatives.com and register it. Then host your domain so that you can start publishing great content. And if you're looking to start your website today, you can use Bluehost for your hosting. Check Bluehost in the description below. Once you have started publishing content, you need to promote your content so that you can get visitors to your blog. And once you get followers or visitors, it's time to monetize your blog. This can be done through ads, through affiliates. You can also sell your products or online courses through your blog. This is one of the most profitable business that you can start today to start making passive income. The seventh online job is data entry. As a data entry clerk, what you do is you transfer data from manual transcript to systems. These systems can be an online system or a computer. You use things like keyboard by typing, or you can use scanners or other data entry gadgets. As a data entry clerk, you need some skills like you need to be fast in typing, you also need some computer knowledge, and also be keen to detail so that you can be accurate and correct when inputting this data. This is another popular job, and if you go to your computer and type online data entry jobs, it will be populated by more than 10 or 20 jobs that you can choose from, apply, and start making money out of it. The eighth online job is starting an online coaching job. As an online coach, you help people achieve their objectives. This can be financial, health, relationship, or any other objective that a person might want. If you want to become an online coach, it means that you have some experience in the fields that I have mentioned above. So what you need to do is to go and create a detailed profile where people can come and identify the things that you can do for them, and they can decide hiring you to coach them through a certain experience or some certain objectives or goals in life. Another thing that you can do as an online coach is to create a profile through social media. This can be through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or even YouTube. Once you have created your profile, you need to let people know what services that you can offer. How can you help them navigate their life troubles? How can you help them achieve their goals? This need to be put forth very clearly so that people can trust you and be able to hire you as an online coach. The ninth online job is drop shipping business. As a drop shipper, what you do is you set up a website and list the products that you intend to sell in that website. Now, this is what happens. When a visitor comes and orders or makes an order through your online platform, what you do is you transfer that order to a manufacturer or the seller of that products, and the seller will take that order, process it, and ship the product to your customer and get paid in that process. So dropshipping eliminates the need to have a store where you can keep inventory. It also eliminates the handling of the products. All you need to do is to find reliable suppliers who can ship the products to your customer reliably and genuine products, and you'll make it in dropshipping. The 10th job is Amazon FBA. If you haven't heard about Amazon FBA, FBA means Fulfilled by Amazon. This is a service exclusively meant for Amazon sellers. How does Amazon FBA works? Amazon will provide storage, packaging, and also shipping facilities for the sellers. As a seller, what you need to do is to ship your products to Amazon warehouses, and that's it. After listing your products on Amazon and visitors come and order your products, Amazon will do all the processing. They'll prepare the merchandise and ship it to your customer. Isn't that amazing? You can go ahead and try Amazon FBA. Our 11th job is becoming a social media advertisement manager. As a social media ads manager, your role will be to help online businesses or any other businesses to increase their engagement, to create their brand awareness, and also help them generate sales. It is as simple as that. What you need to succeed as a social media ads manager is you need to acquire some skills on how to place ads on these social media platforms. You can specialize on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or even YouTube, and help business people place successful ads on those platforms, and they are going to pay you. Our 12th job is online flipping. As a flipper, what you do is to identify different products that are selling at low or cheaper price. After identifying those products, list them on your social media or other websites at a high price, and the difference is the profit margin that you are going to make. This can be done on different platforms from your Facebook account or Instagram account. That's it, guys. I know you derived great value from this video. Help me share it by sending this link to one or two of your friends. And before you go, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can always receive a notification every time I hit that publish button. Until next time, take care.